What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today it is time to start thinking about our storage containers, our food storage containers. And we have a brand new set of LocknLock storage containers. In my Facebook group, we were talking about a lot of different things, and the issue of storage containers came up because somebody posted that there was a big sale on a nice set. The holidays are coming up, and we're going to be having some big cooks. It's time to get our equipment together, and storage containers is pretty much around the top of that list, right? So today we're going to look at this new set. It's supposed to be 16 piece. I don't know if that's 8 pieces plus a lid or actually 16 pieces. We're going to find that out. Today we are playing around with some LocknLocks. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Let's see what this set has to offer. So one thing that's really cool about the Amy Learns to Cook Facebook group is as soon as there's a sale on anything, somebody posts a link to the sale. And so we can all get in on it, right? So my food storage container collection is getting really bad. It's sort of a collection of mismatched stuff. A lot of those take-along kind of things. I've got broken lids. I've got missing lids. With the holidays coming up, I sort of had in the back of my mind that I needed to get some new storage containers. So I have these two. These are Rubbermaid Brilliance, and I really like these. If you want to look into these, I'll put links down in the description to these. I love these, but I only have a couple of them. They tend to be more on the expensive side compared to some others, but they last really good, and I dishwash these and wash them all over the place, and they've stayed really nice, right? But I wanted something like a whole set, and I do like LocknLock. I know some people have had trouble with the lids not locking over a period of time. I haven't had really that trouble. I did have trouble with a few that were like years and years old, but I actually had pretty good luck with them. So the 16-piece set came on sale. It was at QVC. And they had all these colors. And when it first came out, this person posted in the group, thank you very much. I don't want to name who that is because I don't have their permission. But they posted that it was on sale. And at first I was like, I want one of those. I clicked out of it, but I was working and I just didn't have time to deal with it. So I didn't jump in on it. And like a couple days later, I came back to look, and it was like $2 more. But a lot of the colors were gone. So they were limited only to like 2 or 3 colors. I ended up getting the gray just because that's what they had, right? So it came, and so it's time to check out this set because I know a lot of people are going to need some storage containers for the holidays and beyond. And this set for LocknLock is absolutely giant, right? So we have rounds and we have rectangles. And some of the rectangles have these little handles on it. So let's first look at the rectangles. So these are the rectangles. I'm excited because I need storage containers really bad. So this one here has got a little handle. This is really cool. I like this. So if you're taking something to a gathering, this is kind of small though, but even for your lunch, right? This is perfect for lunches. So we have our LocknLock. So one classic thing about LocknLock is it has a silicone ring in here with these little flappers. So all you do is put this down and go like this, and it's supposedly airtight and watertight. That's what they say, right? I really like this. This is nice. So this is the gray color. So we have that size. We'll see. It looks like this is 16 pieces and not 8 with 8 lids, right? So we have 2. That's cool. One thing about some of these sets is they give you like all these really dinky small ones. And it's like you need a couple small ones to put like sauce, leftover condiments, whatever. Mayonnaise. Yeah, but sometimes you end up with, you know, I had this one set that they gave me like 6 dinky ones.
You can put a whole Whopping chicken crisper in there.
Yeah, right? So you have this little one for little sauces or little leftover something, herbs that you've chopped. You have this one, nice size. Then you have this one, and then we have this one with the handle.
So, we think there's a disagreement here.
Yeah, Eric doesn't think that there's going to be actually 16 pieces in here. He thinks there's only going to be 8.
8 plus 8 lids.
We'll see. I think there's 16.
Who knows?
You think there will be, Boo?
I don't know. I can change my opinion, right?
Okay, another one with the handle. I love these with the handle. Those are awesome. Okay. So we got, that was a rectangle. These are square. We got Boo.
I don't see anything.
Boo.
I don't see anything.
Another square. This is a really nice one right here. I really like this guy. This is perfect for a leftover. Boo.
What? I don't hear you.
I see something. Boo. I see something.
I'm outside washing the car.
Well, you can do that if you want to. Wow. The person in my group who told me about this set, thank you. Because we got the hookup, right? This is good too. These are good for prep too, because if you're like chopping herbs or something for the big meal. So let's look at a little round here. Hi, Boo.
I think we might have.
We have 8 right here.
We might just have 16 pieces plus the lids.
16 pieces. Wow. So we got this with the handle. So this is the round. 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 Boo.
What do you want? I'm just sitting over minding my own business.
He sat up here and swore there was going to be 8 containers and 8 lids. Like it was cookware or something.
They wouldn't do that, would they?
And here's the lid. Here's this one.
I think they sent you 2 sets.
No. Okay, so for the last one of our 8 pieces of LocknLock, this one again has this, which is pretty awesome. And another one. Wow. It's a lot of unpacking with this set. here's the last one. Wow. This set is pretty cool. So we have all of these. And one of the things I did is this little one here, I added some water to it just to see if it was going to leak. And it's not. Awesome. Wow.
Boo, it looks like they gave you 16 pieces.
I got 16 pieces.
Yeah.
I got 16 pieces, Boo. So what are the sizes on these? I don't know. This one is 2.2 quarts. This is 1.5. This one is 0.9 of a quart. This one is 0.51. Is that pretty close to what all these are? 2.1, yeah. 0.4, 0.7, 1.3. So you have the bottom ones are like around the 2 quart area, all the way down to like half a quart. Awesome. So this is the Lock and Lock set we got. Thank you very much for the link to this. If you want to get in on some of these deals, come into my Facebook group and you'll see all of us post links on when we see good deals on things, particularly as what? Black Friday is going to approach, right? So what's up? It's Wednesday, cooks. I hope you enjoyed this. So go into your kitchen, start assessing what you need equipment-wise in terms of the holidays, and storage containers should definitely be on that list. So have a great day. Have a fantastic Wednesday.